Alright student, once again welcome back to your online maths class. Now we have learned number names from 1001 to 2000. Now ma'am will be giving you dodging number names. That is, she'll pick out some numbers from in between and give you, and she'll give you the numbers. You have to write the number names. And how are you going to write the number names? You are going to say and write the number names. How ma'am has taught you, the same way you are going to say and write. Because when you say and write, you don't make any mistakes. So let's begin now. So write the date, classwork and number names, and now we'll start writing. 1005. So you write over here 1005. Alright students. Then you write 1019. How will you write it? You write the spelling of 1019. Make sure you write the correct spelling of 19. Then 1027. Now you write 1027. If it is not fitting in the next line, leave a box and write in the next line. Make sure that you leave a box so that your work looks nice and tidy and neat. Alright, then you write 1033. How will you write again? 1033. Make sure you write the spelling correctly, especially of 30. Then 1042. Again 1042. Spelling of 40 should be correct. When you write the spelling of 40, check again. Your number name spelling should be correct. By now you should be thorough with your number names. One 1051. 1051. This number 1066. Now, this is 1070. Please don't write 17. Write the spelling of 70 correctly. Then 1084. So you write 1084. Then you write 1099. And after writing this, you will draw the finishing line. Please write your number names very clearly, neat work, and please don't copy this work and send it to me like this. You know what you have to do now? A lot of children, if I write till there, they'll write till there only and they'll just send it to ma'am without understanding what ma'am is saying them to do. Ma'am is giving you the numbers. You have to write the number names. You have to write the spelling. Now the first one I am doing it for you. But that doesn't mean that you do the first one and you click the picture and send it to me. Please write the rest. The rest is for you. You have to do it. So the first one ma'am is writing for you. 1000 THOUSAND 1005. This is the way you have to write all the number names. Ma'am has done the first one for you, but the rest of the numbers you have to write the number names yourself. And you all are big boys, you know the spelling, so don't take the help of your mummy. Do it yourself. Alright students? Now do your work very neatly. Do your work neatly and be good boys and stay healthy and eat healthy food. Bye boys.